My name is Chris Nachtrieb, President of Chris's Coffee Service. In this video, I'll review and explain the features and specifications of the Vivaldi 2 and the Mini Vivaldi 2 by Spaziale. Both machines have two boilers, one to make coffee and one for steam and hot water. On both the regular Vivaldi and the Mini Vivaldi, the group boilers are 450 milliliters with 800 watt heaters. The steam boiler in the regular Vivaldi is 2.5 liters, whereas in the Mini it's 1.3 liters. Both, however, have 1250 watt heaters. Although the steam boiler in the Mini is half the size of the one in the regular Vivaldi, there is no difference in steam performance. With the oversized heater in the Mini, it can make steam continuously. The regular Vivaldi 2 has a rotary pump, whereas the Mini has a vibratory pump. Both machines have articulating stainless steel steam arms with 4-hole steam tips. These machines with this tip are by far the easiest to produce excellent microfoam, even for beginners. The steam valve on the regular Vivaldi is a rotating knob, whereas the Mini has a lever with instant on-off. Both of these machines are equipped with hot water spigots and can provide hot water with the touch of a button. The regular Vivaldi 2 must be plumbed in, whereas the Mini cannot be plumbed in. The Mini's water tank, unlike most of the machines on the market, is in front of the machine, which makes it much easier to refill, especially if there are cabinets overhead. The Mini also includes a water softener inside the water tank. Both machines have dual gauges, one to display the steam boiler pressure, the other the pump pressure. Both machines are available with either black side panels or red. Both machines have UL approval, NSF approval, and both US and Canadian ETL approval. Both machines come with two 53mm portafilters, a single and a double, an extra set of shower screens, an extra group gasket, a wrench to remove the shower screen, a group brush for cleaning, and a rubber back flush disc. Both come with a comprehensive color manual, more than 27 pages in length. The manual can also be downloaded directly from our website in a PDF format. Now let's talk about the electronic features. Both machines offer programmable volumetric dosing. With both machines, you can adjust the group temperature in 1-degree increments with the touchpad. Both machines are equipped with programmable offset differential. There's a difference between the temperature of the water in the group boiler compared to the actual temperature of the water that reaches the coffee. Before we ship each machine, during bench testing, we measure that difference with a SCASE device and program that difference into the machine for you. You simply set the temperature you want with the touchpad. Both machines are equipped with built-in troubleshooting diagnostics. Both machines operate on 110 volt, either 20 amp or 15 amp. Let me explain. If the machine is set in 20 amp mode, both the steam and the group boiler heaters can be on at the same time. In 15 amp mode, only one of the boiler heaters can be on at a time. The logic in the machine switches power back and forth, always giving precedence to the group boiler. In a commercial environment, 20 amp setting is recommended. However, in a home environment, there is no noticeable difference in performance. Switching back and forth is as easy as flipping a toggle switch inside the machine and either adding or removing an adapter cord. The regular Vivaldi 2 has electronic passive pre-infusion, programmable anywhere between 0 and 8 seconds. That's a mouthful for sure, so let me explain what it is and how it works. If, for example, you program a 4-second pre-infusion into your machine, it functions like this. When you press the button to brew, you will hear the solenoid valve open and stay open for 4 seconds before the pump starts. This allows your line pressure, which should be set between 25 and 45 psi, to gently pre-infuse your coffee before the pump hits it with 125 psi. This allows the coffee to absorb water and start the extraction process. This is a feature you can only find on much more expensive machines like the paddle version of the La Marzocco GS3. The Mini Vivaldi 2 does not have passive pre-infusion. Since it is not plumbed in, that is not possible. We do offer an optional pre-infusion chamber that makes the Mini perform like a machine with an E61 group. You can add an optional 7-day programmable timer to either machine. Either of these machines can be equipped with an optional pod kit for the use of pods. I am not an advocate of pods. However, the nice thing is, if you start using the machine with them, it is easy to change back to ground coffee. You are not stuck with a machine that can only make pods. One last thing, we have sold more than 3,000 of these machines, and at this point in time it is so solid we are now offering a 2-year warranty on this machine.